Yan ang gumagawa ng aking Lord, yes, will never let me down. Just for you. Aywa, yan lang. Aywa ko. Nila to po tani ay Portokali. Nila sabi Portokali tani. Yan, pinagawa na yung trabaho ko kahit ang aking alaga. Ayan ang aking alaga. Kinukuha ng aking trabaho. Wala na akong trabaho. I don't have job because you make it my job. After you finish, wash your hands, okay? Okay? Good boy. I don't have job because you make it my job. You do my job. I go Philippines na because I don't have job. I don't have job na. I go Philippines na because I don't have job. You do this. Hela, everything, every time you make this one, juice, baba, okay? Halas na. Halas na. Yala, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Take your rice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping me. Ayan guys, tapos ng aking juice. Thank you so much. Thank you very well. Thank you very well. Thank you. Yan. Only wash your hands. I don't... No! No! Wasak, no! Ay, sus, Maria Kusip. Pinugasan na pati ang mga baso. Ako nang maghugas. Ayan ang halaga ko guys. Lahat ng aking trabaho kinukuha. I don't have job because you make. Yalla, go play. This is my job, not for your job. I want job because I want money. Ay, buhay guys. Lahat na lang yung alaga ko talaga. Mahilig sa kusina. Kahit sa paglilinis sa bahay. Ayan. I want to astrabas. Yala, bring your cup. Yala, give me your cup. And I give you a share. Yala. Sura. Slowly, bas. Oh, no. Like this, no. Yala, put here. Especially pa talaga kung baso ng alaga ko, Kalas. That's for you, small. Yala, thank you. Yala, go play. Yan, guys. Kulang na yung butas.
Yummy.
Yummy. I want again because I not pula the glass. I want again more. Make it more again because not you drink. Hey, Bawas, help me. Bawas, tal. I do.